In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add competitors in Sprout Social. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect after you add competitor accounts for tracking. First, open Sprout Social and head to the Reports area from the left-hand menu. This is where competitive insights live inside the platform. As a quick example of where you'll be working, you can go to Reports, then Cross-Network, and choose Competitor Performance. Your plan and permissions may slightly shape what you see, but the overall location and process are consistent. Inside the Competitor Performance view, look for a section or drop-down labeled Competitor Profiles or Competitor Pages. This is the spot where you add the accounts you want to monitor. The naming can vary a bit depending on the network, but the purpose is the same. You're telling Sprout which rival brands you want to track across supported social platforms. When you're ready, use the search field in that Competitor Profiles or Competitor Pages area to find the competitors you want to follow. Type the brand name, handle, or page title as precisely as possible to pull up the correct account. If multiple results appear, choose the official brand profile to avoid lookalikes or regional variations you don't need. If your list includes competitors across different networks, repeat the search for each platform so your comparisons are apples to apples. Keep in mind that you may need a specific permission called Manage Competitor Profiles Reports to add competitors. If you don't see the option to add or save new profiles, your access might be limited. In that case, check with the person who manages your Sprout roles and permissions and ask for access to that capability. After you add the competitors, Sprout will begin gathering data behind the scenes. This is normal and can take some time. Depending on the network and the availability of public metrics, it may take several hours or even a couple of days before you start to see trends populate in your reports. Historical data may be limited to what's accessible publicly, so don't be alarmed if the earliest date range looks sparse. Give the system time to accumulate activity, then revisit the report to evaluate engagement, posting cadence, and growth. That's the entire process. Navigate to Reports, open the Cross-Network Competitor Performance view, find the Competitor Profiles or Pages section, search and add the right accounts, confirm you have the necessary permission, and let Sprout do the rest. Once the data appears, you'll have a clear, side-by-side view of how your brand stacks up.